Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. Today we're doing a video on a new arrival to the dealership. It's a 2015 Chevrolet 1500 C71 package with a huge lift on it, some really nice Mickey Thompson tires, aftermarket Tuff rims. We're just going to do a walk around this thing and kind of show you what it's all about. This particular unit does have a aftermarket front bumper on it. Aftermarket fog lights in the front, aftermarket side flares, and like I said, it does have a Mickey Thompson Baja MTZ tire on it. It's a 35 wrapped in a 20-inch Tuff rim. Looks like about a 6-inch lift, blacked out step-up bars, very clean on the outside, no dents, no scratches that I can see. On the back of the vehicle is pretty stock. It looks like he does have, or someone put some aftermarket fuel or exhaust on here. Got a nice little throaty noise to it. It does have your trailer hookup with 7 and 4-pin wiring harness. Spray-in bed liner. Like I said, this is the Z71 off-road package. As far as the inside goes, this vehicle is equipped with power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Obviously, this thing is 4-wheel drive. You can set it in auto feature where it automatically turns into 4-wheel drive. You don't have to worry about messing with it. Leather seating, power seating, lumbar. It's got all the bells and whistles inside. Cruise on the left-hand side of your steering wheel. On the right-hand side of your steering wheel, all your buttons to operate your instrument cluster in the center. This particular unit does have a factory brake controller built into it. Very nice feature when towing. Touchscreen radio with all the bells and whistles in there. It has Pandora capability, navigation. You can pair your phone with it, do text messaging with it, and obviously you have OnStar in this vehicle also. And everything is touchscreen as far as the radio goes. Radio controls right here. Dual climate controls, a great feature for his and hers. You can set the passenger side on 69, for example, and then the driver on 60, or however you may decide to set yours. Very nice feature to have when there's more than one person in the vehicle. This is what we call a bench seat. Not a bench seat, but a bucket seat. It is a bench seat with a fold down compartment in the center. Plenty of storage inside. Leather seating, very clean unit inside. As far as the back, with it being the crew cab in the Chevrolet, you have plenty of rear room for seating, and you also do have center console for your beverages. This particular truck does have rear defrost on the rear glass, which is a very nice feature. And again, this is a 2015 Chevrolet 1500. This is a gas motor. It's got a 6-inch lift on it. It's got some really nice Mickey Thompson tires on it. It's got a 20-inch Tuff rim on it. Aftermarket front bumper. If you're looking for a lifted truck, this is definitely a really nice used one. That we got it on trade. And again, this vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. We're located in Piqua, Ohio. If you're calling from outside of our area, don't let that scare you. We do deliver nationwide. We will bring the vehicle right to your driveway, put it in your driveway for you. And again, our website is sherrychrysler.com. Please hit that subscribe button if you're on YouTube. Give us a like, maybe throw a comment in the bottom there, and let us know what you'd like to see in some of our future videos with some of our current inventory. Thanks.